Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable FaceTime Natural Eye Contact on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on FaceTime. After that, we scroll down and then tap on Eye Contact. Tap on the toggle button to switch it on or turn it off. This will allow you to establish natural eye contact while on FaceTime if you turn on this feature. Now, so exactly how does this work? So the FaceTime Eye Contact feature aims to address a common video call challenge, maintaining natural eye contact while looking at the camera. So normally when you are talking to a person, when you are staring at the screen, it appears that you are not looking at them but slightly lower. So this feature uses augmented reality technology to subtly adjust the position of your eyes in the video stream, making it appear as if you are directly looking at the other person even when you are looking at the screen. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.